Okay, here's Kydex holster and the waistband holster for CZ52. It's got adjustment screw, 1/2 inch belt clip, polished edges, generous sight channel so your sights don't hang up. The controls are covered in the holster when it's holstered. Trigger's covered. Safety's covered. Magazine release, well, that's down here on this gun, so it's not going to be covered. But on a normal gun, it is covered if it's up here. This will hold your gun securely in your belt. So contact me if you're interested in one. I will post information below the video. I'll sell these locally or online. This one in particular has a blemish. My rivet or my eyelet die messed up on me and kind of scarred up my rivet. However, it's rolled over. It's still functional. So this one in particular is going to go cheaper because of that blemish. Well, thanks for looking.